Hi. I'm here with Kim and with her daughter Flo, and we're looking at the locations. We've got this beautiful flower field behind us, and tomorrow we're going to take some of the shootings over here, and I think it's going to be lovely, although the weather is going to be very like sunny. It's going to be good, but sunny. So we're a little I'm a little afraid of that, but I hope that we're going to have a great shooting tomorrow. So yeah, see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Shooting. It was a great day. The kids really behaved. The dog also. It was quite difficult sometimes, but I think we've got a lot of great photos. We'll see you tomorrow at the editing class.
Tomorrow.
Hi, we're ready to start our editing session here today. I had a lovely session yesterday. We got a lot of great photos. Hopefully the students will like it, and yeah, we're ready to go to start. Hey, go!
surrounding you. Okay. Yay! Thank you. Good. Yeah.
Very good. Hi everybody, my name is Raïs and I just finished the workshop and it was so awesome. We had so much fun. We took so many pictures that elevate our portfolio, and it doesn't matter if you've done a ton of workshops already or you're just getting started, there's always something you can learn. She explains everything with great precision and you can ask as many questions as you want. And honestly, it's your time to see somebody else teach you how to really take some amazing pictures and just go for it and elevate your style.
I think it was a great workshop that Iwona gave. A great experience. We learned a lot. It was very intense.
We hebben heel veel informatie gekregen. Het was super leuk om heel erg veel te leren van hoe een foto tot stand komt, maar ook de editing daarna.
Vooral de afwisseling tussen de theorie en de praktijk vond ik heel erg leuk.
Ja, precies. En er waren echt geen geheimen. Dat vond ik ook echt super leuk om te merken, dat we ook echt alles mochten leren, zeg maar.
Ja. Super toffe ervaring. We hebben enorm veel geleerd. Je moet hem voorbereiden, want het is zeer intensief.
Heel vermoeiend. Heel veel informatie, maar echt meer dan de moeite waard.